The ad creation bottleneck is costing course creators. One of the biggest bottlenecks in course businesses is not always the offer. It is not always the audience. It is often how slowly you can test new ads. Because if you are running paid traffic, you already know this. Ads need constant attention. Creatives get tired. Copy stops performing. Angles burn out. And suddenly, what worked last month does not work this month. But creating new ads can take forever. You're waiting on copy, waiting on design, waiting on an agency, waiting on feedback, waiting on approvals. And by the time the new campaign is ready, you have already lost time, momentum, and money. This is where AI can completely change the game for course creators. Not by magically making bad ads work, but by helping you create, test, and launch new ads, ideas much faster. That is why we are going deeper on this with Joel Erway inside the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. Joel will be showing how to create ads faster using AI without hiring an agency. If you want to move faster, test more creative, and stop letting ads production slow your growth, click to get your place. Because one of the hardest parts of paid traffic is speed. The business that wins with ads are usually not the ones that make one perfect campaign and leave it forever. They are the ones that test. They test hooks, they test angles, they test visuals, they test offers, they test headlines. They test different ways of explaining the same problem. And that is where lots of course creators get stuck. Because you may have a great course, you may have a great offer, you may know your audience well, but if you cannot produce and test ads creative quickly, your growth becomes dependent on other people's timelines. And that can become expensive. You might need a copywriter, a designer, a video editor, a strategist, an agency, or you spend hours trying to do it yourself when you should be focused on the bigger parts of the business. AI gives course creators a different path. It can help you generate angles, turn customers' pain points into ad hooks, create variations of copy, plan campaigns, build creative concepts, repurpose existing content into ad ideas, and move from idea to launch much faster. But the key is knowing how to use AI properly, because the goal is not to produce generic ads. The goal is to produce better tests, better angles, better creative variations, better speed, and a better system for paid growth. That is what Joel Erway's session is focused on. Fast ad creation using AI without hiring an agency. He will be looking at how you can test new ads faster, stop waiting on design calendars, launch creative variations on your own timeline, use proven templates, and reclaim hours every single week. For course creators, this matters because paid traffic can be powerful, but only if you can keep up with the pace of testing. If every new ad takes weeks to create, you are always behind. But if AI helps you test ideas faster, you can learn faster. And the faster you learn, the faster you can improve your message, your offer, and of course your campaigns. So if you sell courses, memberships, coaching, digital products, or expertise online, and you want to understand how AI can help you create better ads faster, this is the session you will want to see. Click now to get your place at the Future of AI Course Creators Summit 2026. We are going deeper on this with Joel Erway and other experts throughout the summit. It is practical, focused, and built for creators who want to use AI to grow smarter.